Hello, everyone. It's another episode of Natter Negosyo. It's a lovely Friday morning here in Cebu, October 18, 2019. And I have with me a new friend from CMDF. Hello, Sheryl.
Hello, Ma'am Georgie.
Okay, she's Sheryl Santillan. Sheryl Grace Santillan, Administrative Assistant of CMDF. By the way, what is CMDF, Miss Santillan?
CMDF, ma'am, is Construction Manpower Development Foundation. It is an attached agency of Department of Trade and Industry, which was created on November 28, 1980 through Presidential Decree 1746. So as one of the implementing boards of Construction Industry Authority of the Philippines, or CIAP, the CMDF is mandated to enhance the competencies and capabilities of the human resource of the construction industry. So the manpower resources of the industry include craftsmen, engineers, project managers or supervisors, and contractors.
So what does CMDF do? What exactly are their functions?
So the functions of CMDF, we drew up an overall construction manpower development and plan and relevant strategies, develop and implement manpower training programs for the construction industry. We also formulate and adopt construction skills standards and establish training and certification facilities in coordination with the National Manpower Youth Council, and now it's known as TESDA. And we also recommend appropriate policies and measures to rationalize training and export of trained manpower in the construction industry in coordination with the Ministry of Labor, or now as Department of Labor and Employment.
Okay. So who are the beneficiaries and what industry does CMDF serve?
So we serve in the construction industry. So we all know that construction is an industry that creates buildings and infrastructures. So the edifices that forms the base for other industries. We attracts investments, generates employment or jobs, and fuel the economic development of the Philippines. So overview lang for the past 3 decades, since 70s, 80s and 90s, the construction industry has significantly contributed to the growth of the Philippine economy. So the construction industry accounts for an average of 5.4, about 80 billion in real value, contributed to the country's gross domestic product, or GDP. So further, the industry strongly showed its capability of responding to the demand for employment by generating a total of 2 million jobs. So it's more than 6% of the total of 32 million jobs created in 2011. So in view of the construction industry's significant contribution to the country's economy, the CMDF will exert its best efforts to ensure the sustainable growth of the industry by enhancing the competencies and capabilities of human resource. So it's considered as the construction industry's most important asset.
Where are these training centers of CMDF?
So the training centers, CMDF training courses, particularly or technology, supervisory development courses, as well as productivity and skills upgrading courses are offered at CMDF training centers, the CMDF-TC in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. We also have in Cebu and Davao. So other training courses like construction management courses and safety training courses are conducted at CMDF's training room in Makati. In Cebu, we are conducting at Cebu IT Park and Cebu Technological University. So CMDF training courses may also be offered in-house training for companies. So while skills upgrading and trade testing are conducted in communities. So example, workers may be trained in community project sites for proper job execution.
Okay. So I am very curious and interested to know about the seminars and trainings conducted by CMDF.
Okay, so we have tons of
Training,
seminars.
so this is
Yes.
going to be a long one.
Yes, so please
Yes,
bear
okay.
with me na lang, ma'am. We have construction management courses. So CMC is designed to integrate strategic training intervention to sustain the management capabilities of construction project managers and superintendents. More specifically, the CMC is a series of short courses in different knowledge areas of construction project management. So another is supervisory development courses. So sa CMDF, CMDF development courses are geared towards productivity improvement, adopting the principle of continuous improvement. So these courses are aimed at increasing efficiency and effectiveness in the utilization of project resources of 7 M's, such as man, machines, materials, money, methods, and time or moment. So combined with the consideration of mother nature, which is the environment. So aside from that, we also have safety and training courses. It is generally recognized that proper execution management of building and infrastructure construction works has become increasingly important to satisfy the buildings and users, project owners and contractors in terms of quality, delivery, productivity, and above all, safety of structures and the workplace. So we have recent incidents brought about the deficient or inadequate execution management and safety awareness in the
Okay.
construction industry resulted to the accident in the project site. So it's very important to take this course. And
Okay, so-
aside from that, we also have 1 day construction worker safety and health orientation. So the basis for this program is the MOA JOA number 1 series of 2011 initiated by the DOLE. So it covers the commitments or agreements and responsibilities among the collaborating agencies. We have the DOLE, DPWH, DTI, DILG, and PRC. So to include other related programs and activities with the end view of ensuring proper coordination and harmonizing of policies and programs to ensure the safety and health workers in the construction industry. So we have also productivity skills advanced and upgrading training courses. So these advanced short training courses are offered to all construction workers and craftsmen to equip them with advanced knowledge and skills competencies in their field of expertise. So CMDF conducts this training to complement the basic skills courses. So aside from that, we also have Linkage program. So this program is aimed at narrowing the competency gap between the academe and the industry by providing relevant development activities through seminars and training by actual application to the graduating engineering, technology, and architectural students. So here in Cebu, we are in partnership with Cebu Technological University in Pinamungahan. So last is training and certification program. So this program by CMDF is designed to build these competencies through training, coaching, and mentoring interventions. So only when they reach the level of competency through various level of assessment, they will become certified CMDF trainers.
Do you have any coming trainings?
So we have next month, we will conduct Authorized Managing Officer Seminar at Cebu Grand Hotel on November 21 and 22. And also Construction Occupational Safety and Health Seminar on November 25 to 29 at Cebu IT Park.
Okay, who are your target participants usually? Is it only for engineers?
And no, ma'am. So our trainings and seminars are not only for engineers. The target participants of CMDF are authorized managing officers, project managers, project owners or developers. We have supervisors, architects and engineers, contractors and or subcontractors. We also have suppliers, service providers, trainers who wish to upgrade their skills, and even students. So for those are licensed and architects, we give CPD points for our trainings and seminars.
Okay. So, how much does these trainings and seminars cost?
Okay, so usually our trainings is depends on what type of training or seminar. But for to give you a range na lang, so for our construction management series here in the Cebu, price range is 2,800 to 3,838. So
That's 2,800.
Yes,
and
2,800.
3,800 pesos for 2 days.
Yes,
Okay.
so for supervisory course, that's 5,000 to 7,000 because it is
That's in
five.
pesos,
Yes,
not
that is
dollars.
yes, ma'am. So it is a 5 days seminar, our supervisory course, and then skills is 1,000 per day. That usually
That will last.
that will
How
last
long?
3 to 5 days. So for heavy equipment operation, our price is 4,500 for that's for 5 days. And orientation courses for students, we have 100 per day.
Okay. Let's say if I'm interested, where can I register?
So they may call or go to our CMDF offices. So our main office is located at Makati City. Look for Ms. Rhea Quintos or call them at 02-511-1054 or 890-1610. We also have in Mindanao area, we have CMDF window located at DTI Regional Office Davao. Look for Ma'am Jane Dacalios or Engineer John, or you may contact them at 082-224-0511. And of course, for Visayas, we are located at DTI Regional Office. Look for Engineer Philip or me, Sheryl, or you may call at 418-1989. So for more information and to check our upcoming seminars and trainings, they may visit our official website, cmdf.dti.gov.ph.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sheryl. I think we have talked long
Yes.
enough. Actually, we're here at the CMDF office, at the
Yes.
DTI regional office.
Yes.
Okay. So, Sheryl, I'll hope to see you again.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a pleasure.
For updates.
Yes,
Okay.
for
So,
updates.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much to everyone listening.
Thank
I
you
will
so
be back.
much, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.